They told her when to leave, how to leave, and then she moved.
What would be the essence of having a fake housemate? Just for fake housemate purposes?
It's the game. It's just the game.
Then what's the game there?
No, that's the game. This is the game now. This is it. This is it. This is the game happening.
Maybe there's one more.
So this
okay, well, I can understand the wild card thing was a game where me and Maria were wild cards, and you guys had...
You guys know that you guys were wild cards.
Of course, now.
You know.
They told us. They told me I was a wild card, but they didn't tell me that there was another one. I came here on Sunday when you guys came, when Biggie made the announcement. That's when I knew that there was a second wild card. So when I got in the diary room, Biggie was like, I'm sure you're surprised about the second one. I said, yes, I'm surprised. Like, you guys didn't tell me there was a second wild card. So, like, okay, well, who do you think it is? I didn't know shit. It was not until the second
but a lot of discussions went on the day
that bag is our own.
I said the pair. The day that Cross and her had their fallout.
That's everything now.
A lot of things went down.
What do you mean?
Like discussions all over, everywhere went down.